What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. Now, this is one of my favorite methods. This method is awesome, and I've been doing this for quite a long time now. It's one of the methods that I first started doing when I first started making money online, and I built it into a business. You can actually build this method into a real proper business online. And I've also been teaching other people how to do this. Another good thing about this particular method and making money with this is you don't need any money to get started. And I love it because it's really simple for beginners to understand and get started with. You know, there's a lot of complex methods online, methods that are quite confusing, but this is quite easy to understand. And I'm going to take you through step by step in this video how you can start doing this yourself, how you can implement it, and how you can actually build this into a business. But I would like you to stay to the end because I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, and it's important that you don't miss anything. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you something that you can do to make even more money with this method, and it's going to help you build it out into a business so you can keep making money. Because that's the thing, guys. You don't just want to go for methods that can make you money for a day or so, for a couple of days. You want to go for methods that can actually make you money for a long period of time, whether it be a small amount of money or a big amount of money. You want to be making sure that you're making money consistently instead of kind of like a one-off time, because then you make money and then it stops. I want to teach you methods that make you money consistently and then help you build an online business. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to jump in and show you step by step. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know below and I'm happy to help. So what is this method, guys? What am I talking about in this video? The first step you are going to want to do is I'm just going to show you these two websites, and then I'm going to explain to you how this method actually works in a very detailed way. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to go to a website called munchi.com. And what this website does is it has products that are going to be released into the market in the near future. So we can see here that these products, it's mainly software and a couple of courses, but it's mainly software. You can actually see that these products are going to be getting released in the 12th of December, 15th, 16th, and these ones on the side here. There's literally products getting released every single day. So this is one of the websites here. It's called munchi.com, okay? munchi.com. There's another one called jvnotifypro.com. And what this website does is you can actually find products that are releasing into the market as well. Now, this is more for courses and things like that. So I like to actually use munchi.com because people are releasing software, and I just find software a lot easier to work with. So how does this actually work? What are these websites all about, and why should we care? Well, it's simple. What we do, guys, is we go out, and when someone actually launches a product, so let's just have a look at this product right here. This is actually somebody I know. I've promoted some of his products in the past. And if we click on the JV page, so this is a page that has all the information for the upcoming product launch, right? And what happens is people basically sign up as an affiliate. And this is what happens. Let me show you. They sign up as an affiliate, and they send out an email blast to their email list, okay? Now, you're not going to have an email list, so don't worry about this. But what happens is the people on their email list, this is what they do. They go to Google. Let me just get rid of this. They actually go to Google, and they'll put keywords into Google. So, for example, this product here is called Video Flow. So they might put in Video Flow Review, where to buy Video Flow. Because when that person sends out an email, they want some more information on the product. So people will go and search Google, and then they'll find websites that are doing reviews on those particular products. And this is where you come in, okay? Once again, I'm going to show you a method on how you can do this for free. So we'll come back to this diagram in a second. But how you make money is these people that are searching, they will go and purchase the product from these websites, and you will get a commission. So you'll also sign up as an affiliate. So your first step, guys, is to basically go to munchi.com and just kind of check it out. Now, what happens is when you sign up as an affiliate, so if we go to this page here, it goes get your affiliate link. This is going to take me to a website called jvzoo.com, okay? And this is the JVZoo homepage here. It's basically a platform that takes payments and things like that and sorts out the affiliate commissions, right? Now, if we go here, once you log in, you'll simply go, you'll apply to be an affiliate, okay? You'll say, hey, I want to be an affiliate, and they'll give you your affiliate marketing link. Now, this is called affiliate marketing if you don't know, and you get a commission by promoting someone else's product. Now, the reason we do these particular products, guys, is because they're getting launched into the market. There's going to be a lot of hype. So this is what you want to do, okay? you want to go and let's just, here's kind of an example I found before. So this is the product I found. Let me just find the product real quick in here. Okay, so let's take this product here called Groove Pages. Now, this is launching in 4 days. Now, they've actually done a launch before, so that's why I'm using this as an example so I can show you what people did. But they're launching again in 4 days. If I go to Groove Pages Review, people have done reviews on these products. And there's not much information. Like, this one's actually got a lot, but if we go to this one here, there's not a lot of information. This person has just kind of written some pros and cons, which are usually on the product's website anyway. And then they've also got a little bit of information here. But you'll see that there's an affiliate link here. So when this product launches again, there's going to be so much hype. And I'm talking a lot of money, guys. Some of these products make 7 figures on their launch. So even if you get a little bit of that. So how do you actually do this? How do you get started? So step number 1 is you need to go and create what we call a website. Now there's a free option and a paid option. I would recommend going for the paid option. You can usually get a website for around about $3 per month. Now the reason I say the paid option is because you can build a better business with a paid website, okay? It's cheap. If you can't afford $3 per month, you really shouldn't be trying to make money anyway. But there is a free option if you really want to do that. You can go to wordpress.com/pricing and then go to the free plan and you can create a website, okay, for free. But I would recommend the paid option. If you do want to start a paid website where you get a free domain name, a free website name, and a few other free things, I will leave a link below that you can check out and you can get a deal for $2.65 on Cyber Monday right now, or you can get $2.95 on a normal pricing. It's very cheap to have a website, guys. Once you have a website, you simply want to go to the JV Launch website, and you want to find products that are going to be releasing. Now, there's a couple of criterias. You want to find products that are releasing in about 2 weeks to give your article time to index in Google. Okay, so these are kind of bad examples because these are releasing soon. But let's just take this one here, the Sam Baker one, and then you just go to the JV page here. This is what you want to look out for. You want to go for products that have a $10,000 in prizes. So what happens is these guys give out prizes to their affiliates. And look at the prizes. They'll be down here. So we've got $4,000 for top prize, $1,500, $700. And this is a product, this is a video software that creates videos. So all you've got to do is you can ask this person, hey, can I get a review copy? I want to write about it. Or you can simply go and see what other people are doing. Or you can actually go and buy an article from this website here. And it's very, very cheap. I know I said this is free, guys. You can use a free website and write the content yourself. But you can get a standard article for 1,000 words for $8 or 500 words for $3, okay? And then you go and put that on your website. So let's just take this video program for example. Let's say, hey, I want to go and promote this product, right? So I would go and write an article based on video flow review. And I would simply review the product. You can ask them for access to the product, and 99% of the time they'll give it to you, and you can do a review. Or you can just go and do a review like these guys have, and just put a little bit of information. This is just a different product. But as you can see, these websites, you know, let me talk about kind of how you can expand this. But it's really, really good method. This is called launch jacking. But this is how you can get started in affiliate marketing, right? You're not going to make $100 a day, $200 a day straight away with this. It will take time. But that brings me to the method of compounding, the compounding effect. So what happens, guys, is basically, let's just say you do one article, right? Article number 1. Let me get my pen up. Okay, so let's say you do one article and let's say it launches and you make like $200, which is quite reasonable. You can make 50, you can make 2, 3, 4, 500. It really depends on how big the launch is and where your page is on Google. Even on the second page, you can actually make money. I have before in the past. You don't need to be on the first page. There's so much traffic going to these when they launch, you don't have to be on the first page. But what happens, guys, is once the launch is over and your article's still there, people are still interested in the product. People still do buy the product. So in the future, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks down the track, you might make 20 bucks in a week, or you might make 20 bucks the next week. You're going to make significantly less, but those articles are there for a long time. I've done products where I've made money for 6 months every single week, then it's kind of died off. But now we get into the compounding effect and no one really understands this. No one wants to put in the work to make the money. Okay, you can make good money with this. as long as you're willing to put in the work at the start to reap the rewards later. So let's say you've done article number 1 and then you do another article and then launches, you make $100. Well, once again, that article's there forever. So you might make another 20 the next week, another maybe 30 the week after that. Then let's say you do article number 3, article number 4, article number 5. Let's say article number 5 or product number 5 is a big launch and you make $1,000. Maybe you make another 100 the next week later. Maybe you make another $10 the next week later. And then you keep making a little bit of money for the weeks after that, right? The more articles you do, the more money you make and the more stronger your websites get. And that brings me to the next slide, which is the authority effect. Your website will get more authority in the industry and you'll start to rank quicker, and then eventually you'll literally go out and you'll make more money from these launches because you'll become the authority. When I search Groove Pages Review, there's all of these pages on the front page. A lot of these will have authority because they've been doing this for quite some time. If we go to this website here, you'll see that they've been doing this quite a lot. Every single day, they post a product that's getting launched in the market. Think about it like this. If you did an article every single day and you made $50 from one article every day or from every launch, right? You could do $100 or $200 per day. It's not extremely hard to do. It's quite easy to understand, but you have to keep doing the content. Now, what's more important, guys, is you want to do something called a bonus stack, okay? Let me explain to you what a bonus stack is and how it works. All right, guys, sorry, I just had to clear my throat. I've been a little bit sick. So this is what a bonus stack is. You'll see on this particular product review, if we scroll down, they're giving away bonuses. You get more sales and clicks if you give away bonuses. And the same with this one here. This person is giving away bonuses. If we scroll down, there's bonuses that he's given away. So it's like, hey, if you purchase through my link, I'll give you bonuses. Just give me an email. That's usually what happens, okay? There's 2 ways you can get the bonus material, okay? And you want to build a bonus stack. The first way is usually most products, not all of them, but most products that are launching will have bonuses for you. So if I click here on example bonus page, I can download bonuses and use them. So here they are, bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, 5. There's lots of bonuses that I can add to my articles, okay? Now, another way you can do it is you can go to a website called idplr.com and you can sign up for free and you can get the free resources. You can download these for free. And there's ebooks and courses and stuff. You can actually go and use these as bonuses. You have the rights to do that. So this is called idplr.com. And you want to build a bonus stack. You're going to get more sales that way. Now, in a second, guys, I'm going to take you through a little trick that's going to help you make more money. But I do want to kind of help you understand this a little bit better because I know this can be confusing. So what we're doing, guys, is we're creating pages based on a specific review, okay? So you go to these websites, this jvmunchi.com, you find products that are going to be launching soon, and you go and do a review on that product. You ask for access to the product, and you can do a review on that product. Sometimes they'll give you access, sometimes they won't. If they don't, then just move on to the next one, or you can just write some information about it if you have some information from their page. Basically, go and click on the product, and then click on the page if they have one, they don't have one. But basically, click on the JV page here, get your affiliate link, go and create the article. And if you don't know what to create, okay, go and take the link here. So Easy Links, this one's called Easy Links, and pretty much go and put Easy Links Review into Google. This is the Groovy page one right here, Groove Pages Review. And you'll see all of these websites. Just go and see what these guys are doing, and you're going to be doing your own version of this, okay? It's not that hard to understand. It's quite easy. So these guys have done a review here. And here's actually a classic example. This website here called Dope Reviews. These guys do a really good job of doing this. This is a review site. So this has been around for 3 or 4 years. I remember when they started, they were really, really small, but you're going to keep building out the website and make more money, okay? So this is a great example. You'll see all they do is reviews, okay? Bot Chats Review. They just do reviews on these products before they launch because they know that there's going to be heaps of hype for them and they're going to make money when that launches and people go and send traffic to these products. Okay, so that's a simple review as well, and he's got bonuses as well. And they get a commission when someone purchases that product. Now here's a little trick, guys. When someone actually sends the email and they go into Google and they search and they find your website, instead of sending them straight to the product, why don't you collect an email and say, hey, we're going to give you this product, or you can get our special discount or something, but first give us your email. So build an email opt-in form. The reason you want to do this is simple. You can build out an email list. Then when a product gets launched on the market, then you can be the one emailing people and making money via email marketing with affiliate marketing and this method. So this method, guys, is called launch jacking. And remember the compounding effect. You'll make more money with the more work you put in over time. Now, if you want more training on this particular method, guys, showing you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing website to do this step by step, I'll leave a video up on the screen. Click that right now, okay? Click it right now. It'll take you through the full tutorial on how to create your own website so you can do this, all right? Click that video up on the screen right now. I'll also leave a playlist that you can check out, and it'll show you some training completely free. Make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.